Sojou, look at that stop sign. It's buried. So the weathermen were right, definitely. This is the happier side of snowstorm. Cross-country skiers are out, the dog walkers are out, it's not too cold out. Hey, Sojuni! Hey, Sojuni! Look at her. That's deep. Deep, deep snow. Come on, Bubba. Whoa. Come! Come! Sojou! Sojou! Whoop, whoop! Oh my God. Good girl. It's hard work being a sled dog, huh? Good training. She's licking up the snow. Gosh, it's hot. This is gonna take a lot of energy. Lucky you had some porridge this morning. Okay, let's go. I'm boiling hot right now. It's a good thing now to strip down and Sojou, to strip down because it's so hot. There we go. Sojou. Sojou, we're gonna go this way. Sojou, hup, hup. Sojou, hup, hup. Come on, hup, come on. Good girl. Let's go a little bit here. I think it's way too deep. I can't even move my feet. It's exhausting. Come on then. Hup, 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 hup. Sojou, Sojou. Sojou, Sojou, come. Come, my baby. Come on.